Hi everybody, this is Snook. Today I have a really exciting box to open. I have never opened this box before, but I'm really excited to see what's in here. It has to do with crystals and earth and astrology, that kind of vibe. So if you're into that, keep on watching to see what's inside the box. This box, you can get it 4 different ways. For $11.67, you can get the Magickal Earth Basic Crystal only. For $12.08, you can get Astrology and Tarot. For $24.17, you can get Magickal Earth Essential. And for $39.99, you can get Magickal Earth Premium. I did get the Premium, so let's see what that entails. You open it up, and it looks like this. And there's a sticker that says thank you, and then there's a little lion, and it says courage. This is wrapped really nice. Okay, right on the top, it gives you a card. This month is all about courage. With everything that is happening in the world, we all need extra strength and courage. We are all in this together. It is not just a statement. It is the truth. Be safe, be kind. This is our summer season, and on August 1st we celebrate the first harvest. This is a great time to reflect back on those intentions and goals we set for ourselves back at the beginning of the year. How many of those came to fruition? What do you still need to do to accomplish them? All of your crystals have been cleared and were charged on the last full moon. And now the first thing, a horoscope. On it, you get a book, and it's Leo season. When you order this, you put in what sign you are, and I am Aquarius. My horoscope is: you are seeing yourself with new eyes and remembering that there is a fire in your soul. So often you cover your feelings with intellectual distraction, telling yourself that something doesn't matter, isn't working for your highest good though. And so the Mercury in Cancer has been teaching you to let love and emotions in a little. Have you pushed back? Have you surrendered? At the full moon in Aquarius, a clear sight will be available to you. Be willing to receive. That's really neat. So you get this in time from July 22nd to August 21st. And then each day it gives you a horoscope. Well, that is really neat. I really like that. And it's got a beautiful picture on the front. Then next, they draw a card for you. And the card that was drawn for me was the 7 of Pentacles, which is really pretty. And then they give you a piece of paper. The 7 of Pentacles shows that you have a strong desire to invest in those things that will provide long-term benefit. You understand the value of putting in time and energy now for longer-term rewards. You are not necessarily looking for quick wins as such. If you are planning for the future, the 7 of Pentacles shows that you are taking a long-term view and you are assessing where you can best invest your time and energy for the maximum output. You do not want to keep putting your heart and soul into something if you're not getting the rewards for it. And no doubt you have started to see that there are some areas in your life that are just becoming energy snappers, but without the reward. It also indicates that if you have been working extra hard or putting in extra effort into something, it will finally pay off. 7 of Pentacles can denote frustration. You have been laboring away at something important, and you may be starting to feel concerned that you will never be rewarded for your efforts. Patient and appreciate the progress you have made so far. That's very interesting. Oh, this is pretty. The Magickal Earth. And then there's a sticker, tiger, and an amethyst. Courage sachet. Included with your box are the following items: square of orange cloth, red ribbon, thyme, basil, peppercorn, orange oil. Instructions: lay out the cloth and sprinkle the herbs into it, saying, the strength of the bowl, the daring of the board, grant me courage now and more, grant me bravery in my life each day. Tie the sachet with the red ribbon and keep it near you. in your bag or pocket. You can also place it under your pillow when you sleep. If the day comes where you feel you no longer need it, untie the knot and sprinkle outside or bury it. Below is a simple description as to why the ingredients we gave for your satchel was picked. All of these ingredients have multiple meanings. We picked them for the ones listed below. We encourage you to research each to see how they can pertain to other happenings in your life. On a side note from all of us here at the Magical Earth, we all need strength and courage right now to get through what we are all facing. I truly felt that we all needed a bit of courage and a bit of strength to continue on. We hope that each of you finds this helpful in your lives. That's really beautiful. Oh, and then here's a nice canvas bag that says, I have a crystal for that. So here are the bags, the basil and the peppercorn and thyme, the orange cloth, so that all goes here. And then you get some crystals, and they're all wrapped in these beautiful bags. Can you see that? Bloodstone. Bloodstone is a stone of courage and wisdom, noble sacrifice, and altruistic character. Bloodstone grounds and protects the soul on many levels, heightening intuition, dispelling mental confusion, and keeping out negativity. It is an intense healing stone used to cleanse and realign the lower chakra with the heart. This stone is particularly stimulating to the base and heart chakras. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, it's got tiger's eye in it. Cool to the touch. Tiger's eye, hermite, and black obsidian. Everything you need for protection. The true hero of the bracelet is the tiger's eye, as it is known to promote motivation to get things done and the willpower to dig deep in needed times. It also gives us wisdom and courage. Oh, here's the little orange oil, a little bottle. That's to go with making our bag. Another crystal. It's like a pretty yellow. I'd like to see this out in the sun. Utah honeycomb calcite. Honeycomb calcite will infuse you with strength, courage, and confidence. It will help you ground, direct, and focus your energy. It is only found in Utah. This stone encourages us to persevere and deal with change as well as things from a new and different perspective. Helps you feel optimistic if you have lost hope. There is no other perfect stone for this time in all of our lives. It is my absolute favorite. It's really heavy too. It's really pretty. It reminds me of a lemon. Utah Wonderstone. Wonderstone enables creativity and imagination. Fills life with energies of relaxation and tranquility. Eliminates worries and tensions. Reduces the symptoms of depression and brings an overall sense of well-being. It brings energies of tranquility and helps eliminate worries. It also helps reduce or eliminate depression, stress, and anxiety. It looks like it's a piece of wood, definitely a rock on the other side. Huh. Oh my God. Look at that. It's got a, can you see that? It's got a sun on it. Let me. Chakra Suncatcher. Enjoy this wonderful, amazing piece. Hang it anywhere. My feelings on this box are that it is a deeply personal box, that it is something designed for just yourself. You can share the joy of the box with other people, but what is inside the box is really just for the person that is receiving the box. It really depends on how open-minded you are and what your beliefs are. on whether you want to spend the money on what is in this box. I can tell you right now that this box has touched a lot of things in my soul and a lot of feelings, and I'm a little overwhelmed right now by just going through the box. If you are susceptible to those kind of things, you have to make that decision on if this box is for you. If you're going to buy it and you don't believe in anything that you've seen me pull out of the box, this box is not going to mean anything to you. And I hope I'm explaining that correctly. Each thing gave off an energy unlike anything else that I have ever felt when touching crystals or stones. What is put into that box is very powerful. But that doesn't mean that my next door neighbor came over and they saw my box and saw my crystals and they picked it up. Would they feel the same things that I did? Probably not. So that's what I mean by it's a personal thing. Literally, the crystals and everything I touched had vibrations coming off of it. And I knew that what I was being given to me, put in my trust to take care of. And I don't know how else to explain that. Again, it depends on what you believe in. If this box is for you, I cannot guarantee that you would get your own box and feel the same things that I feel. We are all very different people, and we are all at different parts of our journeys in life. So it really depends on where you are in your journey and what you are open for when receiving things. I can honestly say that I am very humbled by what I received in the box. And yes, I know I paid for the box. But what I received goes well beyond a monetary value. And I, again, not sure how to explain that one. The feelings that each item invoked is so removed from a monetary value that you can't compare the two. Again, it's a personal journey. I will tell you that what is in the box is very high quality from my perspective. Everything has a lot of meaning, and it is very well thought out. I can only say good things about the box. Idea of the box and what it represents is up to you as a person to see if that is a journey that you want to be on, or want to start, or want to learn more about. Thank you for stopping. I hope you got something out of this. I hope it answered some questions of yours that you might have had. Let me know down below in the comments how you felt about it, and I will talk to you next time. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. Bye.